monstrosity I'm currently doing. The 2014 750 Brute EPS model. It was camo. This one had lots of issues, basket case. As you can tell, been tearing it apart. So this one had no spark, no fuel, a bunch of wiring issues, and a cracked frame right there. Actually a rusted frame. That would be from the plastic piece that comes up here and wraps around down for the belt cover vent. So it must have got a lot of moisture underneath of it, rotted it out. So I'm going to replace this section of the frame right here. Not sure if the engine's good or not. Either way, it gets a rebuild, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, what a mess. It'll be nice when I finish it up though. Alright, I'm gonna get back to it. Alright, just picked up another turd. It's a 2019 Brute 750. It's EPS model. Totally beat by the mudding crowd, as usual. So this one was sunk, and now it's got a bad rod knock. Surprised it runs at all. But yeah, this one's a real piece of shit, huh? Probably pulled the front bumper off by pulling it out of the mud hole. So I'm gonna get all this damn mud off so I can actually see the bolts and start disassembly. So today's gonna be the fun part. Well, dirty part. And then this one's coming along, waiting for the rest of the engine parts to come in. So while I wait for that, I will start on this. Okay, and here's another one. I just went ahead and disassembled this one on the trailer. I didn't feel like dragging it up my driveway. Front end was all messed up on it, but this is a 2012 750 EPS. And got it most of the way disassembled. Got a bunch of extra parts with this one. So 3 to do here. So I got this 12 and this 19, and then the 14 in here, and I got 2 more coming, hopefully, which is an 08 and 09. So plenty to do. So that one there, I'm not sure about color yet, but I got most of the parts that I did take off ready for primer. I'm gonna get the frame and then the rest of the stuff ready before I actually prime it. Just do it all at once. And then this one I gotta hose off. This one's nasty. I can't even see the bolts. So anyway, that is today's work. Ton of parts that came off of the 12, and some that go to this. So this one, I got the rest of the paint in today, so might spray it today. I don't know, it depends on weather. So anyway, yep, there's an update. Okay, so here's the 2019, and it is down to the bare bones. So I guess like half the battle's over, maybe half. Cleaned up most of the parts in the bins there, and clean this stuff up, replace whatever it needs, bearings, axles, stuff like that. And then go ahead and blast these parts. And then this stuff goes to the 12. Well, this, and then this goes to the 14, which is still not getting too much progress because I got all this other stuff going on. But hopefully, once the weather gets warmer, I can go ahead and paint these plastics and get the rest of it back together, and then that one will be done. So anyway, here's the progress, and I will update as I go.